Hello, everybody. At the end of September, Amazon made a change to their KDP upload limits, and they haven't updated their terms of service yet. So, although I announced it in my private author groups, I didn't make a video waiting to see what exactly their terms would state. But since some information is already getting out there, I figured I'd record a short video. So, previously, you could upload 3 books a day, 3 titles. This was changed a couple of years ago due to the bunch of low content books flooding the market, so they lowered it to 3 a day. Now, at the end of September, they have changed it from 3 a day to 10 a week. So if you're like me and you're publishing pretty consistently, pretty often, you may have had issues creating a title. That last week of September, there was a few days I could not upload any books. It wouldn't let me. So I contacted Amazon to see what was going on. And as you can see here, a screenshot from the chat. This was October 2nd. I had had a few days issues already of not being able to upload a book at all. And they let me know you can only create 10 titles a week. So this does reset on Sundays. So if you just have one name that you're writing under, this may not be an issue for you. If you're like me and have multiple pen names and you do translations, you're going to run into limit issues. So currently I have 3 pen names on top of my main name. The 3 pen names all do translations, so 8 languages total for one single title. I have 3 pen names I'm launching next year. They will do translations as well. You can see the math just doesn't add up. I'm going to have issues. So one thing you can do is request a limit. So if you go to the Amazon help page, go to create a book, and that left. And when you scroll down, you will see title creation limit. So it does not give an exact number, but as you saw from that screenshot with that representative, it is 10 titles a week. I actually called into Amazon and spoke to somebody to confirm this that same day as well. She had to check. So even the reps at that time had not gotten the notification all the way around. So she had to do some research and did see that little notice that is changing. So they don't list it here, but it is 10 a week, resets on Sundays. And you can contact them to inquire about an exception. So if we click on this, you're going to be able to go and talk with somebody. I do not recommend asking for the exception via the chat. Why? Because if you ask just via the chat where the representative submits that request for the exception, you're almost guaranteed to be denied because they're not giving information as to why you need that limit. I suggest sending an email to KDP support requesting an exception to the limit, and you should get an email back and they'll tell you what they need. So you should get an email like this. They're going to ask you to respond. At least in my case, they asked to respond within 5 days. Detailed explanation of why you require an exception, number of books you plan to publish, how often you plan on publishing, details about quality controls you implement for your books, and description of the type of content. So are you doing low content, fiction novels, nonfiction books? If you want to get into the types of genre, things like that. So you'll get this email, respond to that, and you have a better chance of being accepted for the title creation exception. Again, if you do it directly through that chat, they don't get all that information and it's just almost always an automatic denial. So I do recommend taking that extra step to email them. All right, so now recap, no longer 3 a day limit. Now you can do 10 a week, resets on Sundays for you to do it. And those of you who are doing translations, especially for multiple pen names, I definitely suggest you reach out and ask them for an exception to that. All right, hope this helps. Bye, everyone.